In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a simple logo with Squarespace. By the end, you'll know exactly how to add your logo to your site and save your changes with confidence. First, sign in and open your Squarespace website so you're looking at the site editor. From here, head into your site controls and navigate to the area where your branding lives. In most templates, that's inside the design or header settings. You'll see the header preview at the top. Move your cursor over the logo area. When the interface highlights that region, click it to open the logo controls. Inside the logo panel, look for the option to add a logo. Click Add Logo to begin. You'll be prompted to choose where the file comes from. Select from Library, so you can pick an image you've already uploaded. If your library is organized, this makes the process quick. If not, no worries. You can still browse and select the right file. In your library, click the logo file you want to use. For best results, a transparent PNG or an SVG works well, but use whatever matches your brand. Once it's highlighted, confirm by clicking Add. Squarespace will drop the image into your header preview so you can see how it looks in context. Now, click through the highlighted areas the editor presents to make sure your logo is appearing in the right spot across your site preview. This often includes checking the header region and any immediate preview states that auto-open. Take a moment to verify legibility against your background. Contrast is key so your logo stands out. If you notice an older logo or a placeholder still sitting in the slot, click. Remove on that unwanted item to avoid duplicates. Keeping only the logo you intend to use ensures your header stays clean and consistent. After that, use the highlighted navigation in the editor to return to the main preview. When everything looks good, finalize your work by clicking Save. This confirms the change and publishes your logo to the live header. Saving is essential. If you close the panel without it, your changes won't stick. A couple of quick tips as you review. Make sure the logo file isn't too large so it loads